In this video, we're going to show you how to renew your insurance and change your membership level. Once you're logged into the EMPA website, you'll click on either your name or the My Account button to go to your account. From here, you should be able to see the level that you have chosen. So if you are wanting to upgrade your level, the first thing you're going to do is click this Change button. It's going to show you the two levels that are not selected. So if you want to stay standard, you would have to just go back. But let's, for this example, choose the professional level. So we're going to upgrade to that. From here, I'm going to hit Next. And then I have the option to go through all of my profile and make any updates that I need to make. So I'm going to scroll down and just double check that my modalities are correct. That I update my number of years in practice. I update any business information that may have changed. You can add a bio, credentials you may have added over the year. You need to check your additional insured to make sure that the number that you have selected here matches the number that's down below. And then update your file against you, or that you might have a situation that would result in a claim. You can update those as well. These agreements are already checked because you signed them last year, but you can look at them in an additional screen to see them again. Once that's ready, you're going to go to Update and Next. From here, you should see the balance due. This does show my additional insureds as an extra $20. This is my amount. I can choose Invoice Me or Pay Online. And from Pay Online, I have the option to pay with a PayPal account or a credit card, and it shows the amount here. If for any reason that does not look like the way it's supposed to, you can cancel and redirect back and ask for help if for some reason something is wrong.